This video has been very long overdue. I've been saying I was gonna do it. I never did because I got lazy. I'm gonna be honest. I wasn't busy. I wasn't busy doing shit. I have no excuse. I was just lazy. But we're doing it. We're doing it today. We're doing my heatless curls tutorial. Things you're going to need. You're going to need a heatless curling rod. I got mine from Home Goods, $7.99, came with 2 scrunchies, and then I broke those scrunchies. So I have 2 other scrunchies. So a curling rod, 2 scrunchies for each side, a spray bottle with water, a hair clip to hold the curling rod in place while we do one side. And you're also gonna need some hairspray. I love the Kenra Perfect Medium Spray number 13. This one is so good. It does not make your hair feel stiff. You can still run your fingers through your hair and it's just nice and soft. It still holds the hair, but it doesn't make it feel crispy, okay? I tried using the Stronghold and that shit makes your hair so crispy. It's no. I love this one. This one has been like perfect so far. And you're also gonna need a brush. Okay, so we're gonna brush through the hair, detangle it. This is how my hair looks like at the end of the day, kind of like wavy. It's fucked up when I work out. On my rest days, my curls can literally last all day, so keep that in mind. Okay, if you're working out, it won't hold through a workout, but if you have it for the day, it should hold for the entire day, depending on your hair type as well. And after doing this hairstyle for so long, it's been helping with my hair health as well, since I don't use heat anymore to curl my hair. It's made a huge difference, and even my hairstylist is like, damn girl, like your hair is healthy. So we love that, okay? So now I do my best to do heatless hairstyles, okay? Now that we split it in half, we're gonna tie one side off. Doesn't matter which side, whatever side you wanna fucking start with. And then the other side that's not tied, we're gonna wet it with some water. Now it won't work unless you wet it. Like if it's dry, it won't. You get better curls when it's like slightly wet, not damp, just slightly wet. Just enough where like I run my fingers through my hair and I'm like, okay, it's kind of wet. Not drenched, okay? Lightly wet. And then brush it through. And then we're gonna lightly spray some of the hairspray. You don't have to put a lot, just enough, because we're gonna brush it through. Brush it through again. Now we're gonna take the rod, place the middle on the top of your head, use a claw clip to hold one side. And then we're gonna take a section of hair, taking my thumb and going all the way to the back of my head, pulling that section. This is what it looks like. Taking this section, wrapping it around the rod once, wrapping it again twice. And now we have this section right here. We're going to add another section and going all the way to the back. And separate it. Cool. Then we're gonna do the same fucking shit. Wrap it once. That's once. Wrap it twice. Real tight. You wanna pull it as close as possible to your scalp, okay? It shouldn't be far from your head. It should be really tight and close to your head. And then again, repeat the same thing. And then wrap. Once you get the section that's like right next to your ear, you only have to like wrap once and then get another section of hair. Wrap once again, making sure the rod is really close to your head, and then that last section, and then just wrap all the way down. And you're wrapping it flat, like you're not twisting it. You're trying to lay the hair flat on the rod. Taking that second scrunchie and tying it. Bam! That's one side. gonna show you guys the other side. Same thing. We're going to take water and wet the hair. You don't want it too wet because then it won't dry throughout the night and you'll wake up with like wet hair. So just wet enough, but not like drenched. Brush that through. Take a little bit of hairspray. We're gonna get the inner layer and then the outer layer. That section of hair going all the way to the back. Separate it. And wrap it around the rod. Not once, but twice. Okay, keeping that rod close to your head. Add more hair. Almost like a French braid concept. Wrap it once, wrap it twice. And now that we're at the section closest to my ear, we're only gonna wrap it once from here on out. Section of hair. I don't know why, but the left side of my head doesn't have as much hair as the right side of my head for some reason. And then wrapping it flat on the rod all the way down. Second scrunchie. You don't have to tie it tight, just enough to like hold it. I'm gonna fix this. This is pissing me off. Last step, we're taking more water and we're just spraying it one more time. Front, back of the rod, and then down the middle. Same thing, front, the back of the rod, and then the middle. And we're just gonna press it in. Just pressing it, make sure the water is nice and into the hair. Cool. Now we gonna sleep, and when we wake up, it's gonna look good. I promise, I swear to God. Is it comfy to sleep in? Honestly, I got used to it, so it's not that bad anymore. First time around, I was like, girl, what? What? But now I can sleep with it. Now it's just like natural to me because I do it pretty much almost every day. Yeah, okay. Good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. It's 3:18. I already brushed my teeth, washed my face. We're gonna take these out now so I can show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm gonna do my makeup so you guys can get the full effect. Cause holy fuck, I feel so fucking tired. Oh my God, how do I do this? How do I do this all the time? Okay, so we're just gonna do this. A little bit of this. Okay, show you guys I'm taking it out. I'm gonna let it sit like this for a minute while I do my hair, makeup, and take my progress pics because today's Tuesday. I have check-ins. So BRB, that's how you take it out. You just shimmy that bitch. We got the makeup, we got the fit done. I'm wearing the new Oner Active Brights that's dropping tomorrow. This video will be up after that, so I'm very sorry. I didn't do a try on haul because I didn't have all my pieces. I don't get my pieces until later, and once I get them, I'll probably do a video because I didn't want to make a video if I didn't have everything. You get what I'm saying? So yeah. And now that we have the makeup and the fit on, we're going to work on this. We're gonna add some light hairspray again. Just light. The reason why I love this so much is that you can literally spray so much and it won't make your hair crispy. I love that. So this is what the curls are looking like. And we're gonna start separating them, curling them and separating them so that they're not like bunched into one curl. It's nice to have like some thicker pieces, and then you can get like thinner pieces just to add dimension to the hair. Once you get your desired look, look at that. And it's still bouncy, still very like soft. That's why I really love that hairspray. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Just separate and curl around your finger so it keeps its shape. Separate, curl around your finger. I got a lot of hair. I'm running a little behind schedule, just as per usual when I'm filming in the morning, but you know, it's okay. I'm just gonna rush after this. That's all you gotta do, you know? One last spritz. I'm telling you, this stuff does not make your hair crunchy, so don't be scared to spray down that hair, okay? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The back. So bouncy. It's so good. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is what the curls look like, and they typically last me throughout the entire day if I'm not working out. If I'm working out, they're falling. They're falling. It is what it is. Say if I need to go out somewhere after I work out. So after I work out, I shower, I put my hair back in the rods, and just leave it for the entire time until I like have to go out. You know what I'm saying? And it'll kind of reset it. It won't be as curly, but it will reshape the hair. And yeah, at least it did. That's what it does for my hair. Like it always reshapes it pretty well. It's a little bit softer than this, but it does reshape the hair when I'm like getting ready and stuff. So yeah, hopefully you like this video. Hopefully it's a little bit helpful, more helpful than a fucking reel, because that's just like too quick. Like I can at least explain it to you guys. But yeah, this is my favorite heatless curl style technique. I've been doing it for so long. It's just, it comes out so good every single time. Every single time. Okay, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.